Hi folks, welcome to a Goblins of Creation unboxing. So we've just had Christmas and I got this box as a present from my better half. It is a Culture Hustle box, which is Stuart Semple's company.
So the guy who makes like the pinkest pink and all that.
The blackest black? Well, no, the pinkest pink and the...
He does make the blackest black. Well, he actually makes black 2.0 and black 3.0.
Oh, so he makes some black stuff and some pink stuff and some other colours. So
you've probably seen them on other videos, like Chloe Rose has done it, and who's that guy we saw? Yeah, there's loads of people have used his products.
So, okay. So the background to this is I asked for a product from this company called Mirror, the Mirror's Mirror.
The Mirror's Mirror.
The Mirror's Mirror for my craft stuff. As people who know me or watch the videos go, I'm a crafty person. My better half is the arty person.
Which is why I've got paint on them.
Which is why you've got paint on your top, yep. And why my trousers are covered in glue and woodstone. I do my pouring, but to be honest, it's because I'm quite right-hand dominant. I can hold things very well with my left hand and saw and chisel and things. But when it comes to fine things like painting and stuff, I've never really...
The fine motor control is poor.
Yeah, it's
like a 5-year-old.
It's poo. Yeah, it's poo. I've just about got the hang of calligraphy now, but again, completely right-handed. So I don't do a lot of art stuff, so this is going to be quite fun for me. So let's begin it. So it's a nice big box, about I say 25-30 centimeters square, and it's got my name on. Obviously, it's supposed to be. It says "Not for Bean Boy," which could be Anish Kapoor, and Happy Holidays, which I guess
it is Anish Kapoor because he made the bean in Chicago.
Ah, the Chicago bean.
The Chicago bean.
So.
It's a nice quality box.
It is a good quality box. Well, it's well packed. I don't know yet what's in it. So let's open the top.
It's some cupboard.
Oh, look at that. It's a can. Let me remove the can.
It is the orange.
It is an art tin. Okay. Right. So nice box. Happy Holidays. I guess we're going for the American market there.
That's just inclusive.
What have we got? We have got on the front, it says Art Tin in nice green big letters, and on the back it's got a list of things that are inside it, but I'm not going to read that because that would sort of spoil it. What have we got here? Bow? Is it a proper bow? It's a proper bow.
Very nice bit of ribbon. You'll keep that one.
I get excited about ribbon. There we go. Stuck underneath. We have set up two cameras today, one on the table and this big one here, so you guys can get a look at everything in some detail. Oh no, that's a pity. I'm going to have to tear the art tin sticker to get the...
Oh no, you just peel it carefully.
Maybe if I peel it carefully.
Or not, whatever.
Oh, no, it's going to rip. It's going to rip. Right, I can make another one. Right, okay. There we go.
Okay. Now it says
Yes, I have my Right, now I need to open this.
Get into it. I was going to say, I don't think nails are going to do it.
No, I normally use an old chisel or a screwdriver for these sort of things, but I'm going to use the unsharp end of my...
Yes, it's more like to cut into your flesh. That's fine. Do you want to get your screwdriver?
No, it's just going to be a little patience going around, I think. It's nice them to do a proper tin.
It is a proper painting.
There we go.
Oh, did I hear a seal break?
Yeah. There we go. Right.
Ooh.
Okay. We have a box of stuff.
I know what's supposed to be in it, but this was better than what I thought it was going to be.
Right, I have a letter, official document, do not bend. Whoops! Do not bend.
That big thing where you're not allowed to let any before have any of the shit.
Okay, I don't know if you can see that one, so I will just run over to the other camera. Wrong way, and there we go. So you get a nice envelope there. Right, well, let's read that first, shall we? Let's see what's in here. It's very posh, isn't it? The Cultural Artistic Licensing Body. Oh, and you get a license. Look, like a little.
That's your artistic license.
That's my artistic license. I always use my artistic license. I've never been asked to show my artistic license, but now I can.
No, you can. You can get that e-wallet. When someone says, "Oh, you should do
my
it,"
amendment.
Here's my artistic license. I can do what I like.
Show this card if needed when carrying out acts of art, and refer any disputes to the Cultural Artistic License Body. Well, that is very cute. I like that.
Cute, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Right, Mr. Semple, very clever. I like that.
I think it also gives you money off in the shop.
I have here a bauble, and I'm guessing this because it's the Happy Holidays tin. This is a
tin, but they're all Happy Holidays.
Happy Holiday tin, and it's got a bauble in there. A white plastic bauble for painting. I have some stickers, some Culture Hustle stickers. Right, what else we got here? I have a thank you card from Mr. Semple.
Thank you.
Thank you. I have a little. See that one? Both cameras now. A little notebook. Right. Okay. First, the things in the jar is some snow. Stuart Semple snow. This is.
Mama, hold it up to the big camera.
Hold it up to the big camera as well?
The little camera.
There we go. Stuart Semple snow.
Yeah.
Snow. Business like snow business. Alright, I have some Stuart Semple red. It looks like some sort of powder. Is it red pigment?
Yeah. So you can mix that with any medium.
Oh, I'm not going to open it because it's got a seal on it.
So you can basically mix it with any medium. It's kind of like a well, it's like powder paint, but it's not powder paint. It's like a pigmented powder.
Solid pigment.
Yeah, solid pigment.
Powder.
So you can put it in oils. You can put it in varnishes. You can put it in acrylic resin. You can put it in acrylic mediums, flow, control. You name it.
Right.
Now we get down to the meaty parts.
Now this is Super Base apparently. Super Base Super. Do on this one. Super Base Super. What is Super Base Super? It's a super flat, super matte acrylic paint base.
Yep. So you can paint on pretty much anything.
Excellent.
And it gives you a base to paint on, so it gives you your proper tooth and
your key.
What you need.
Okay, next one is, well, we mentioned it earlier, Black 3.0. So this is, don't say 3.0, it's like people will put O in their phone numbers. There's no O's in phone numbers, they're all zeros.
Sorry, Captain.
So, a little bit, just 3 little dashes on there, which is correct, and at the back, in a very nice sort of
pink.
Yeah, pink. Yeah, very bright pink. It says Black 3.0. Let me have a look at this Black 3.0. That's actually not. Can't see it very clearly. See how good. Ooh, even the bubble. There is a bubble for me. The bubbles are black, which is quite cool. I'm assuming that's because I've been mistreating this can and slinging it around. I'm looking forward to getting that onto some of my props I make for cosplay. Let me pop that because the box is quite cool as well.
Eco-friendly.
Yes, I have loads of little bits of black paper in there. Just
very eco-friendly.
Right, I've got a couple of bottles then. Next, let's have a look, see what we've got in these bottles. So, next thing I've got here is. Whoop! Oh, proper bottle, not a plastic bottle.
Oh, no.
This is Stuart Semple's copper. Now, obviously I use a lot of metallics in my pours, And what you don't know, because I haven't videoed much of them, but I probably will in the future, is I also use a lot of metallics on my cosplay props. So that is quite interesting. And now I have something called stick, apparently.
Stick.
Yeah, that's what it says.
I don't know what that could possibly be.
I'm guessing it's glue of some kind.
She said
So
that.
this is Stuart Semple stick, and it says non-toxic. Yep, it's sticky powder coating potion. Apply one coat even with a brush, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and it's completely transparent. Add pigment to the stickiest stick using a sponge brush. Oh, so you can put a coating on and then basically powder it down. See, that's very good for weathering and things like that, as well as for painting. So I'm quite impressed with that. So what? I'm impressed with the idea. I don't know if I'm going to be impressed with the product. Have a look. What else we got in here? I've got a couple of things. I'm just going to get everything out of the can now, because this can, as was just pointed out, is full of this black paper. I'm guessing recycled. There's something at the bottom, which I nearly missed, which is not for Bean Boy. So there's a little badge there, not for Bean Boy.
You got everything?
Yeah, I think that's everything in there. Have I missed anything?
No.
Right, I have a black pencil, which doesn't, unlike most pencils, have on it what it is, like, 2B, A3. It just says on it shade.
Ooh.
So, okay, I will sharpen the pencil and have a shady character, like myself sometimes. And an eraser, so I'm guessing it's a normal sort of pencil, but as I say, no HBB, so I don't know how hard or soft it is. So it's a shade, so I expect it to be a B of some kind for shading, but you never know. We'll have a look at that later.
I mean, I think the sticky is designed to go with the snow.
The sticky would work with the snow or with the pigment, I'd imagine.
I would imagine so, yeah, actually.
Right, and
Snow fluff.
what have I got here then? I've got a bag which says Stuart Simple Pink, half a kilo. Instructions: mix with water to thick consistency and dilute as required. Okay, surely if you're mixing with water you are diluting, but I know what he means. Culturehustle.com. Now, this is quite nice because there isn't a lot of packaging. I don't know if the packaging itself is recycled, because sadly it doesn't say. It would be nice to think so, but it may be that it isn't. It is definitely sort of plastic. But what it does have is a resealable zip top, so you're not going to get any of this left in wastage wise. You'll be able to get all of it out. And as I say, if it's not a plastic, a non-recyclable plastic bottle anyway, or a tin or a bottle, this is going to be easier to. Well, it's going to create less waste, isn't it?
Yeah.
So those are the contents. So I've already got a couple of ideas of what I can use them on, and it's a present. I'm not going to look up the price.
Sketchbook.
Yeah.
I didn't realise that was a little sketchbook. That's so cute. Sorry. Don't look up the price.
I'm not going to look at the price because it's a present. So I will ask though: is this value for money? Is this?
Considering the cost of the individual ingredients, yes, I would say that was value for money, especially because it comes in the tin and everything else, and you get all the extra bits and bobs that you wouldn't be able to purchase anyway. So like the bauble and the stickers that are only in these kits and stuff.
Yeah, I will say I'm impressed.
That was a lot bigger than I expected. I expected a much smaller bottle of that.
Yeah, sometimes people when they're selling stuff in boxes tend to put a lot of effort into the boxes and not so much in the contents. This is a good mix, I think, of quality of the container, the design. The design was nice and simple. It's well packed. It's not going to get damaged. You've got a nice selection of stuff, so it doesn't matter which is your artistic medium, your artistic bent, as it were. You'll find something here that you're going to get. And even if the other things you don't touch for years, they'll be there. And if you suddenly think, I need to do something you've never done before, like I don't know, make a card for your mum's 50th birthday or something, and you've never made card making, then you go here. You've got some adhesive, you've got some snowflakes, you could create a card from this. Just get a piece of card and go to town on it. So I'll give her a Christmas bauble.
Depends on how close her birthday's to Christmas. Really.
It does, yes. Or maybe not. Maybe we could start birthday baubles. Maybe this channel will kick off a new idea where these are allowed all the year round. In fact, why not? Let's get live trees and keep them alive in the house and decorate them. Or just change the decorations up. We can have Easter baubles if you're a Christian.
We already do that.
To be honest, yeah, we
already
do.
Get Easter baubles and stuff like that. They're kind of egg-shaped normally.
Valentine baubles, do we do?
I've never
Clear ones with chocolate in, perhaps?
Oh, that would be quite cool, yeah. Can you imagine getting like a small pot plant or something with a little bauble with your
ultra bright or LEDs in a solstice bauble.
Yeah, you can have your
spoopy baubles for
spoopy baubles.
Halloween. You heard it first here, guys. Let's go with not just festive baubles. Baubles are not just for Christmas.
Baubles are for all year round.
Thank you very much for watching. I will get on and do something with one of these, and it will be in a future video. But thank you very much for sitting in on this piece of madness called our unboxing. We here at this time, because it's always zeitgeist, we are the ghosts of the machine. It's just past Christmas here in the UK, and we're sort of having that sort of slightly hungover, and I mean mentally as well as anything.
It's Christmas perineum time.
Yeah, and we're still in the 12 days of Christmas, so our decorations are still up. We're still eating our mince pies.
When I say decorations, we've got like...
They're not on camera, it's good. No, it's the tree's up in another room.
Yeah. Oh, there's a tree there.
There is a tree I made out of paper mache over there.
It's a cardboard tree.
It's a cardboard tree with paper mache. No, paper mache.
Did you have paper mache?
I did paper mache.
Oh,
yeah.
right, okay.
That's to make the leaves.
It has lights.
I will wear my not for Bean Boy badge with pride.
Because you're not for
Stuart. Thank you very much. And well, stay well, stay safe, and as we approach the new year, I hope 2021 is a good one for you. Make lots of happy memories, and we shall see you on the other side.
Yeah.
Bye bye.